were 10 in the bed, and someone said with a sleepy head, roll, roll, tumble and slide. One rolled out and took a ride. Now 9 stayed cozy, snug and tight. Make some room, said one at night. So they shuffled left, and one went right. Out they rolled into the night. 8 were giggling, feeling fine, but one said, I need more spine. With a wiggle and a happy shout, they rolled again, and one rolled out. Now 7 snoozed in a fluffy heap. One rolled over in half asleep. The blanket flipped, the pillow flew. Another one rolled out too. 6 little dreamers, warm and sweet, tossed and turned under the sheet. One yawned wide and stretched with flair, then tumbled gently through the air. 5 were left, tucked in tight, counting sheep in pale moonlight. Someone sneezed and gave a shout, and oops, one more got tumbled out. Then 4 were snoring side by side. One sat up and said, let's slide. They bumped and bounced with sleepy cheer, and one flew out like a teddy bear. Now 3 in the bed began to play. Tickled toes got in the way. They rolled and laughed and gave a cheer, and one more disappeared. 2 lay tangled in a hug. One rolled over like a bug. The bed went sprawling and gave a shout. Off the edge one tumbled out. Now just one was in the bed, snuggled warm with sleepy head. No more rolling, no more play. Time to dream the night away.